Hello guys, in this video we are going to set up a Google Search Console for your Shopify. So it's really simple and easy to do by following this guide. So this is given by Shopify themselves, so this will not fail for you guys since it's given by them already. So I'm just going to show you how it works. So first right here is you'll have to know what is your Google Search Console. So if you know that, we'll just skip that. So right here, there's going to be additional tools. So basically, how to get it up is sign in, add your website property, verify your ownership, complete a verification check, and dive into the data. So first, we sign into your Google Search Console. So once you've done that, add your property website. So you just go to your property and then website, add property button near your website URL, and it will exactly appear in your browser bar, and then verify your ownership. So how will you do that? So you can either do a HTML file upload or a HTML tag, or basically your domain name providers to prove that you're the owner, or your Google Analytics or your Google Tag Manager. So once you've done that, you'll have to complete a verification check, and then you will get the access to your site search console dashboard, and then you may need to fix a verification error if you attempt another method. So dive into the data basically. So don't be alarmed if you don't see anything at first. So the data will populate in your Google Search Console account within 2 to 3 days after verification, and it's not instant. So how the user permission work in Google Console is there going to be two main user types, basically the owner and the users. So each subtype will have their varying permissions. So owners have different, they have delegate owners or verified owners. The users will have full users or restricted users. So it's just that simple. So there you go, guys. That is how you set up your Google Search Console for Shopify, basically. So you can go ahead and also go to your Shopify blog and then search this up if you want more in-depth details like how to use Google Search Console for your website. Just search it up in the blog section of Shopify. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.